Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the tally system. Tally marks offer a straightforward and effective method for counting items or tracking data. Imagine you are counting votes or inventory. Using tally marks simplifies the process significantly. Each mark represents one unit, and once you reach 4 vertical lines, the 5th line crosses them diagonally. This creates a clear bundle of 5, making it incredibly easy to count by 5s, which is much faster than counting individual marks. Let's dive into the basic construction of tally marks. When you begin counting, simply draw one vertical line for each item. So, for the first item, you draw one line, for the second, 2 lines, and so on, until you have 4 distinct vertical lines. The magic happens with the 5th item. Instead of drawing a 5th vertical line, you draw a diagonal line that crosses through all 4 previous lines. This creates a neat bundle of 5, making your counting both organized and visually clear. Counting with tally marks is incredibly intuitive once you understand the system. Each time you see a completed bundle, which is 4 vertical lines crossed by one diagonal line, you immediately know that represents 5 units. So, if you have 3 such bundles, you already have 15. Then, you simply add any remaining individual vertical lines. For instance, 3 bundles and 2 extra lines would total 17. This grouping by 5 makes summing up large quantities much faster and reduces the chance of errors. The tally system is incredibly versatile and finds practical applications in many everyday scenarios. Think about conducting a quick survey, managing inventory in a small shop, or even keeping score during a casual game. Tally marks allow you to quickly and accurately record counts without needing any special equipment or complex calculations. They provide an immediate visual representation of your data, making it easy to see quantities at a glance and helping you stay organized and efficient in your counting tasks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.